feature you need for yourself or just another hyped phone? Well, I already know the answer and you will also know it by the end of this video. So watch the full thing. I'm your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The iQOO 15 looks almost similar to last year's iQOO 13. You get the matte finish glass back which does not attract fingerprint smudges and it looks cooler without a case. There is dual speaker output, charging slot, power button, volume rocker and an in-display fingerprint sensor which works really fast. The phone has a large form factor, but you can use it single-handedly. The 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED display comes with a 144Hz refresh rate, which gives you smooth viewing experience. While binge watching, I noticed that the colors are very realistic and the contrast balancing is superb. So if you are into horror content or anime, then you will love the display. The display comes with 6000 nits peak brightness and it is clearly visible in direct sunlight. Plus, you get an anti-reflective coating, which is quite useful. The iQOO 15 comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with high-speed RAM and internal storage. This unit is 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. The gaming experience is exactly as expected from these specs. I played BGMI, Injustice, Mortal Kombat and more games at the highest graphics settings and the gameplay was smooth. All the animations and graphics were super clear and the phone does not heat much even after long gaming sessions. Maybe because of the 8K VC cooling system. There are some filters that you can use to make it look more visually impactful as per your need. But for me, the smart optimization works well. The visuals are really appealing and you will enjoy your gaming session more after this. We also ran some benchmarks on this device and here are the results. In Antutu, it scored 39 lakh, which is great. We also tried video editing software and the output rate is great without heating the device. App opening and app switching works super smooth even if I try to open or switch apps faster. The iQOO 15 comes with a 50+50+50 megapixel triple rear camera setup and on the front you get a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The iQOO 15 cameras actually make a lot of impact this time. You can zoom up to 100x, which is good. The main lens performs really well outdoors in daylight. When you click any picture, the post-processing will make it look more attractive. Ultra-wide results are also detailed, clear and sharp. You can crop the image in case you want to. The portraits are also good. Edge detection, color correction and details are nicely captured. Even when you try using the 85mm or 100mm zoom in portrait, you won't see any detail loss. Moving on to selfie, the iQOO 15 can capture good selfie photos in almost all lighting conditions and the facial details and skin tone are on point. Same goes for selfie portraits, but if you want more realistic result, then you can turn off the beautification option. You can record videos up to 8K 30fps, but as you switch to ultra stabilization, it switches to 1080p. I mean, at least they should give a 4K option. But yes, the video result is good. Even without ultra stabilization, the OIS takes care of the result from the main lens and from the front camera you can record up to 4K at 60fps. And the video result is mostly good, but sometimes you can see color difference in some specific lighting conditions. iQOO 15 is powered by 7000 mAh battery paired with a 100-watt charger included in the box. It charges to 100% in approximately 50 minutes. After a full charge, this phone can easily last more than a day if you are a moderate user. I did all my office work, gaming, binge watching on this phone and I still had almost 30% battery left, enough for my metro anime session. So now it's verdict time. The iQOO 15 is a gaming monster that won't let you complain about the performance. The battery support is nice and you get a camera to click super portraits for yourself. So if your requirement falls into these brackets, then you can consider this one. Well, what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section. I'm your host Harshit Arora. Subscribe Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.